So what's up mga master, magpa-family bonding tayo ngayon. Kasama ko yung dalawa kong anak. At ano, kasama din yung iba kong family. So update na lang mamaya pagdating sa spot. Mga master, so nandito na tayo sa spot. Yan. Ito tayo sa gilid ng tulay. Ito yung favorite ng bayan ko na Yan. So magbi-bit and wait tayo dito mamaya. Meron tayong dalang Radat trail at saka icebox.
Is that a parrot?
Lavender refreshments. Diyan lang to. May init subong ba? Dalo mo ta?
Can I touch these? Away from me!
Di pa butangan katalabahan.
Okay, so my dad is actually fishing, but anyways, just look at him. But I'm his son now, and I'm going to, you see, I was born to speak with it in this language, and my father doesn't actually speak something. But anyways, he's acting very something weird.
It's not weird, it's only natural.
Oh yeah, it's natural. He likes fishing because...
Yeah.
Why does he like fishing? Oh, I'm gonna show you my face reveal in 3, 2, 1. So this is my face reveal, guys. Like, I'm his son right over there looking at me. But if we have million views, they will like and subscribe. So like and subscribe. And hey, come here. Hey, it's my brother.
Ang buto na
My
na
brother?
kasi kaya binti.
Don't I share it to me, ah? Hello.
Bisa anong namong lakuan niya. Tapos si plus pa kay.
Next na nga.
Where's your phone? Where's your phony? Where's your phony?
May egg na arang egg mo. Kaya nakita mo. May egg na. May ulik. May ulik. Kaya isda kayo.
Dako.
Kaya na.
Boy mo?
Ano nakagamay? Piki.
Amo na?
May gina.
Isang huli.
Ano na siya? Wow!
Release natin ito malit. Bye-bye. Ay. Ari na sa ba?
Ayari mo? Wow.
Ano na siya? Wow! I want to see it! It's a puffer fish! Oh, good!
Butiti.
Go! I'll play it there!
Titi.
Go, go! It's a puffer fish! Come on! Get it! Get it! Get it, please! Get it, Daddy! I want to see it load up! Wow! It's a puffer fish! Can I touch it? Don't touch it. Can I feel and blow? Ah! Can I touch it?
Yes. You can touch it.
Ah! It's so slimy! I love pufferfish! Pufferfish! I love pufferfish!
Butiti. First catch.
We are the Bye, pufferfish!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Pufferfish.
Bye, pufferfish! See you tomorrow!
Di ba buhay pa na siya?
La.
Ay, pinamos niya ako eh. Most pinamos fish eh. Most pinamos fish. Sure kung stonefish ko. Lapu-lapu. Lapu-lapu. Stonefish. Yan, stonefish yan. Most venomous fish. Parang lapu-lapu. Bye-bye. Yan, stonefish mga master.
Wait, you should look big about it.
Parang jewfish.
But
Oh,
it's a,
bitawan natin to. Bye-bye.
there's different kinds of
Yun, ayun na sa.
Waiting for the sun to shine, starting all over again. I'd be your friend, and love will never end.